Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to open a Cash App account in the UK in 2025. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store in the search bar for the Cash App. Once you have found it, go ahead and download it. Once the app is installed, open it up and you'll see the options to sign up. You can use either your phone number or your email address to create an account. Cash App will send you a verification code via text or email. Just enter the code to verify your account. Now that your account is verified, tap on the bank icon to link your UK bank account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Next, you'll need to create a unique username, also known as a cash tag. This will allow others to send your money easily. So choose something that suits you. And finally, hit the Add Cash button to deposit money into your Cash App account, and you're all set. And that is it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one.